Hey guys, if you're looking for a smartwatch under 3000, this is the best option available, and it's from the brand Gionee. This is the manufacturing box. We bought this product for $2,499 under Flipkart Big Billion Day offer. Let us check what this smartwatch offers. It has inbuilt heart rate monitor, calorie meter, call and SMS alert, waterproof up to 5 meter, and it comes with 2.5D Corning Gorilla Glass. And it states that it can track our sports and activity tracking and alerts from WhatsApp, Facebook and email. Let us now unbox this product. Here is the smartwatch. Let us come into that later. Here's the charging dock with the Gionee branding on it. You get the operating instructions, and it states it is compatible with iOS, Android and Bluetooth 4.0. And you get the basic functionalities of this product in this. And it also has the warranty card in it. Let us come back to the product right now. This is the product. This looks like an iWatch. The strap feels light. And here is the heart rate monitor. And here's the charging pins. And there's a sticker on top. Let's peel it off. Let's try powering it on. This is how the display would look after powering it on. Though it is a TFT display, it looks really good. And before looking at the features, I would request you to please like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Let us now check the features on this. Okay, even the touch response is good on this. Here are the options, which is very well lit. Sport function, heart rate, relax, alarm, music controller option, timer, settings, and there's a sports record option as well. Let us check what's under sport. Okay, here are the options which it will track. Pretty interesting. Let us check the heart rate. Okay, here is the heart rate sensor. Okay, you can check the heart rate monitor working right now. This is not the actual reading because I have not worn the watch yet. Let us check the relax option. Okay, there's two options under this for 1 minute or 2 minutes. Let us check the 1 minute option. Okay, vibration motor on this is really good. We'll have to check the battery backup on this product on long-term use. Okay, here's the options. Okay, inhale and exhale options. Let us come out of this. Check the other options on this. Okay, you can set alarms as well. Music controller. Okay, we can use this function after pairing our mobile. Let us try that as well. Timer. Okay, so the stopwatch and the timer options. Settings. This is the dial settings. Okay, these are the watch faces available on this. As you can see, it's very limited, but looks effective, especially this one where it shows us all the parameters. Okay, here's the brightness. Okay, sorry. Here's the brightness option. It has 3 levels of brightness. Okay, there's the third option of long press. Okay, where we can enable the long press on this button in order to enable this particular tracking. Okay, this is the shutdown button. This is the version. And there's also the shortcut buttons once we swipe from left, and here it is. This is the battery saving mode of the smartwatch. There's the torch, and this is the torch of the smartwatch and not the mobile phone. Okay, this is DND, enable or disable option, where it will disable all the notifications from your smartphone to this smartwatch. And this is the function where we can add our specific function depending on our use. And here is the number of steps which we do every day, and there's the target of 10,000, and here are the notifications. You can delete them as well. Dock available along with the box. Here are the pins, and here's the pins on the smartwatch where it has to be connected. Yeah, it's easy. Yeah, and you can connect this to any of your existing mobile chargers or to your laptop as well when not in use. In order to check the battery backup on this, you'll have to wait for the long-term review of this watch in order to know how exactly it works and what's the battery backup it provides. On this manufacturing box, they have mentioned the battery backup of standby time is 30 days and use time is up to 15 days. I don't expect this because it's just a 210 milliampere battery. However, let us try using this and then come into conclusion. And there's one more point. You can replace these straps as well. There's a functionality available for that where you can replace them with the leather straps available in the market. Overall, it looks a good package. I know it looks like a mock of an Apple iWatch, but for this price it definitely makes justice because the way it has been built and the quality of the strap, the package looks just decent, but the product is really good. However, let us try using this and then come into conclusions on this product. For price of $2,499 with this kind of display and the features it provides, I definitely think that this is the best package which you can buy currently. Please do like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.